Hello, and welcome to iRespond training. In this video, we will show you how to create a new test bank or a test key for use with your iRespond sessions. So to begin, we will open iRespond and enter the username and password. And log in to the iRespond session setup. In this video, we will focus on the Test Banks window in the middle of your iRespond session setup screen. To create a new test bank, click the New Test Bank button and name your test bank. And select the test bank type. iRespond asks if you want to add your questions now. Click Yes. This is the empty New Question dialog within iRespond. At the top, there are a couple features. We have spell check, as well as the capability to add images, web links, and media, videos, or sound to your questions. We also have a preview question button, allowing you to preview how the question will look once your question is finished. And within the question properties, we have question type. For the Lite and NG remotes, you have available multiple choice, multiple response, and fill in. For the Ultralight remote, you have the multiple choice available to you. Also on the right, we have a point scale for each question to weight questions given a number of points per question. So let's add a question. So by typing the question, this will be what your students see. And in the responses field, we give checkboxes to how many responses we want available to the question. Also be sure to check one of them twice, marking the box green, and that will be the correct answer. Fill in the fields for the rest of the responses and click Next Question. That question has been saved and you are now at a blank question. We will now do a fill-in question. For the fill-in question, be sure to leave a number of underscores where your answer will be given. Click A under Responses and click the Scored Responses button to designate which responses will be correct. If you do not list on these correct responses a response that could be given, it will be marked incorrect. In this example, if the student responds 5,280.0, this would be an incorrect response. Click OK to save. If you have further questions, click Next Question, or if you are finished, click Finished. Once we finish, we will see that the training test bank has shown up, and if you were to double-click on the question and the responses show up. If you right-click on the question, you can now edit, set a timer for the question, as well as delete. Now, we will make a new test key using the New Test Bank button at the top. A test key, for example, would be used when your questions are located somewhere else and you simply want iRespond to record and score the responses. Type in a name for your test key and select the type test key. At this point, iRespond wants to know how many of each type of question you have. In this example, I will have a 10-question test that I want 4 responses available per question. Click OK. The Edit Test Key fields will appear, allowing you to click the correct answer for each question. Once your test key is complete, click OK. Your test key will now be available to see at the bottom. Notice there is no question text because you only designated the correct answers in your test key. However, you can still see the correct answer given, as well as edit, set a timer, and delete a question. If you need to edit the test key further, there is an Edit Test Key button, allowing you to change the answers if you need to. And that is the end of this training video. To continue in the iRespond training video series, please see our subsequent videos. Thank you.